Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. Here's my truck. One of my personal trucks I've been driving. Now it's for sale. I'm all done with it. Check it out. Here we go. 2015 GMC Denali 2500 6.0 liter. Kick-ass truck. Fox shocks. FTS suspension lift. Nitto tires. Fuel 22x14 forged wheels. Super gloss black paint. Bright ass lights when you search lights when you turn them on. WeatherTech floor mats, Bluetooth or a Blu-ray rear system for the kids and whatnot. Your little gremlins. 33,000 miles on this truck. Denali. All the goodies you want. They come with all these USBs and all these cigarette lighters. I hope none of you guys would ever smoke in here. Outlet for plugging in your hair dryer or your electronic dildo vibrator. Whatever you do at home is all your choice. You know, you can use the truck as you wish. Check out under the hood. That's one picture I didn't get a picture of. Bose system, wood grain, back seats kick ass, WeatherTech here as well. Super nice truck. It's got a little bit of scratchage right here on the back end. Nothing major though. American flag, baby. It's got a Rhino bedliner backup camera. Watch the weight. Slow tailgate with the shocks. It's got a fifth wheel gooseneck setup. You can put whatever you want in here. Rhino bedliner or Vortec bedliner. Super aggressive stance. Look at the stance right there. Fox shocks. Amp electric step rails. There it is, guys. Hope you guys like it. Of course you're gonna like it because it's my truck and I've loved it. There you have it. Let's check out the hood. That's nice. Ouch! Son of a niche bigger. Dagnabbit. Can't even see down in there because this truck's so high. This is on a monster level, guys. Volant cold air intake system. Look at my detailers. Come on, guys. I'm gonna have some shit about that. That's gonna piss me off a little bit. Just a little bit. Super nice in here, guys. Super nice. Vortec, baby. You gotta jump on a wheel to shut the hood. Push it with your shirt. Here's the hood. Here's the roof. Got some aggressive looking cab lights, Recon cab lights. Standing on the wheel. There you go. Fresh oil change. It's got a tuner on it, and she is pretty. Hope you guys enjoy this truck. It's got front speed sensor or front parking sensors. So FTS suspension lift. So what the front sensors are, when you're coming up to a stoplight, or when you're coming up to somebody in front of you, it'll warn you like beep, 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 beep. It'll vibrate the seat when you get out of your lane. It has lane assist. This truck has everything. The reason why they cost so much money is because they save your life. No bullshit. I was speeding and I was coming up to a stoplight fast where somebody was stopped at, and all of a sudden I felt the whole entire seat vibrate, not just the right hand side because I was getting out of my lane, or the left hand side because I was getting out of my lane on the left hand side. The whole seat vibrated, and I came to a stop, and luckily I hit the brakes, and I'm like, holy shit, now I know why they put so much research and development into these trucks. And that's this button right here. So parking sensors, get out of your lane button, search lights, and then you have right here, it's the crash assist. So you push 1, 2, 3 settings, and it'll show you on the scale right here on the face. It's probably going to transition to my Bluetooth if I turn the key on, but here we go. I'll show you. So it's kick-ass. It'll go lane assist, collision alert, off, 3, 2, 1, off. I love this truck. I want that on. There you go. Absolutely love this truck, guys. Absolutely love it. Everything you can ever want in a truck, it's in this truck. I'm telling you. Absolutely love it. Memory seats. There's nothing you can possibly want more than a truck in the truck than right here. Hope you guys like this truck. It's kick-ass. This is Mark signing out. Check me out. This is Mark. This is my 2015 GMC Denali 2500. Subscribe. Hope you guys are doing great. Peace out.